The family who followed the whispering sea. The sun rose softly over the small seaside town. Inside a warm little house, the Maren family was preparing for a new day. They didn't know it yet, but the sea was calling their name. Lena, the youngest daughter, found a glowing seashell near the shore. Wendy held it to her ear. She heard a whisper, "Come find me." Her eyes widened. She ran to show her parents. The parents, Mira and Tom, looked at the shell with surprise. It shimmered like sunlight on water. Tom smiled gently. "Maybe the sea wants us to go on a small adventure." The whole family agreed. They had an old wooden boat named Starfish. Dusty, slow, but full of memories. The family cleaned it, fixed the sails, and packed food. Lena held the whispering shell close to her heart. The waves were calm. The wind was soft. The Maren family felt excited and peaceful as they sailed forward. The shell glowed brighter, guiding them. A dolphin suddenly appeared beside their boat. He jumped playfully, then swam in circles. Lena laughed. It seemed like he wanted them to follow him. So they did. The dolphin led them to a hidden island covered in golden sand and tall palm trees. The water around it sparkled like crystal. The family felt like they had discovered a dream. Inside the island, they found a quiet lagoon. In the center floated a large, glowing pearl. The shell in Lena's hand whispered again, "Thank you for listening." The pearl slowly dimmed, as if finally at peace. Mira looked at her family and smiled. "The sea brought us here to remind us of something," she said, "that life is full of beautiful surprises if we are brave enough to follow them." The family sailed back home as the sun set. They didn't take the pearl. They didn't need to. They already carried something more precious, a memory of adventure they would never forget.